How to cancel a flight on Priceline. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your reservation or your flight on the Priceline. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is to pull up Priceline's official site or maybe from their application. So there's actually an option for you to be able to do this. So of course, log in into your Priceline account right here and then go into My Trips. Now, if you have a Priceline account, then select the current itinerary or the current reservation that you wanted to cancel. Now look for the cancel button within your reservation page and read the policies associated with cancellation. And then if you're satisfied with those options, then go ahead and click cancel. However, if the cancellation button is not available on their online tool, then what you want to have to do from here, if you're using the web version, is scroll all the way down and then click the option here that says contact us. Now once you're on Help Center, these are all the articles that you can go ahead and check out. You can also try to get connected into their 24/7 support with Benny, which is going to be the chat bot. Hit that and then just simply request that your cancellation option on their online tool is not available. And that's it. That's how you cancel a flight on Priceline.